Hi folks, here we are back again. Today we're going to learn how to make a stop motion video. Okay, so all I've done is just got a few wee Lego characters. I've set up my wee camera. I've set it up to take a photo every 10 seconds so that I don't have to touch it. The camera should stay relatively safe. So once it's started, all we do is move the Lego thing just one little spot. Just wait, that'll take a photo. Once the 10 seconds is up, move again, take another one like that, and once we have all these stitched together, it'll produce video. Now you can download video editing software and stuff like that there, but the one I use on the computer came with it. It's just called Video Editor. If you're using Microsoft products, you scroll down to V, it should be sitting there. When I'm stitching them together, what I've done is I've changed the photos to just appear for 0.5 of a second. So once you've taken maybe 100 photos, load them on, change to 0.5 seconds, press play, and you'll see the Lego characters just moving along and doing little things. I've also included on here, when I was making the quesadillas, I also set up the camera to record it, so you'll actually see the quesadillas being made in the stop motion video. I look forward to seeing some of your videos. Thank you.